Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a new shower head we got to replace an old one in the shower. This is a Cobbe 8 spray function shower head. The one we have is in matte black, but they also have the same one in chrome. Inside the box there is a colored pamphlet to instruct you on how to install the shower head in a few simple steps, which we're going to show you how to do in a sec. And here's the shower head, which is pretty lightweight, and you've got a variety of spray nozzles. The shower head comes with a total of 48 self-cleaning silicone jet nozzles and 15 ABS nozzles to help keep things clog-free. The shower head also comes with a nice convenient handle as well as a hose and a shower arm bracket. They even give you extra rubber washers. So essentially all the parts you need to install the shower head is included. With that said, let's go ahead and install it. First, we're going to need to remove our existing shower head. We're using a wrench here just to make things go faster. Next, we're going to put some Teflon tape around the shower neck to ensure the shower is leak-proof. This step is optional, but we wanted to make sure none of the water will leak through. And this is what the shower neck looks like with the Teflon tape wrapped around it. Then we're going to connect the shower bracket with the shower arm. Screw everything into place. Tighten everything with a wrench if necessary. On the other end of the hose, screw in the shower head and then attach it to the bracket. Now let's go ahead and test out each of the 8 spray functions. There's a small button on the side that allows you to switch between the different spray functions from the massage function to rain, to soft drench spray, to rain and bubble oxygenation, to bubble oxygenation, to rain and massage, to high efficiency spray to water saving. With all these options, the whole family will be able to have a personalized shower experience based on their individual preference.